Have you ever heard about Appen? So if you don't know about Appen lets you earn online by training AI. So it's an AI training program, guys. So welcome back to our channel if you are new to this channel, because on this channel we discuss about different ways on how you can make money online. So you don't want to miss out on our next job. So make sure you like and subscribe. So now let us dig in. As you can see here says Appen. So make data your differentiator, which means Appen has been providing high quality data sets that power the world's leading AI model for decades. So our end-to-end platform, flexible service, and deep expertise ensure the delivery of a high quality diverse data that is crucial for building foundation models and enterprise ready AI application. So you can literally get paid doing this, guys, which means you train AI model and you will earn for it, guys. So that's just how it works. So now let's go down. As you can see here, it says Appen improves model performance through human AI collaboration. So you will be the human section, guys. So what you just need to do is train the AI for it to have the ability to perform the tasks they want them to do, and you get paid for it. That's just how it works. You can see here, yes, it says Gartner estimates 80% of enterprises will be using generative AI APIs or models by 2026, which means enterprises are eager to adopt generative AI, but momentum hinges on a system they can trust. So that's just how it's working. You can see here, Appen optimize delivery of deep learning services to our customers, support the foundation of generative AI models building with human feedback, and mobilize human AI collaboration through a customizable, auditable platform. So you can all do these things and you will make money, guys. You can see here they have been in power for more than 25 years. So this is just the life cycle. You can see here data sourcing, data preparation, model development, model evaluation. So these are the things you'll be doing with on Appen, guys, to earn money online. So if you have any more questions, what you just need to do is go down to this section and then click on contact. So when you click on contact, you will contact them and you will tell them that you want to work with them to help them train AI and all. So that's just how it works, guys. So because you can literally earn, for most people they don't know that they can literally earn on Appen, but this is how to go about it. You can see here, click your first name, last name, everything, guys. So when you input all these things, so then you submit it, you tell them the reason why you are contacting them, which means to get hired to work on Appen, and you can literally get paid after you get hired, guys. So that's just how it works, guys. So if you have any more question, make sure you drop it in the comment section below, because I check out every comment, guys, and I reply to everything, guys. So that will be all for our video, guys. If you like our video, make sure you like and subscribe, guys, because on our channel, like I said, we drop a lot of educative video that will let you earn online. So that will be all for our video. Thank you for watching and see you next time.